In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking numbers in Shopify. Keeping your customers informed about where their package is builds trust and cuts down on support questions, and adding tracking details to an order only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head to Orders in your Shopify admin. This is your central hub for every purchase that comes through your store. If you have a lot of orders, use the search bar or filters to quickly find what you need. Looking up by order number, customer name, or status can save time. Opening the orders page ensures you're working from the most accurate, up-to-date list. Next, select the order you want to update. Click into the order so you can see its details. Check the fulfillment status to confirm what's been shipped and what still needs attention. If the order has multiple items, make sure you're updating the correct fulfillment, especially if you ship products separately. Taking a moment here helps you avoid mixing up tracking numbers between packages. Now, click Fulfill Items. If the order was already fulfilled earlier and you're just adding tracking after the fact, click Mark as Fulfilled instead. Both options bring you to the same place where you can attach your tracking information. Think of this as confirming that the package is on its way and telling Shopify how to keep the customer updated. Enter the tracking number and select the carrier. Paste the tracking number directly from your shipping label to avoid typos, and double check that there are no extra spaces. Choose the correct carrier from the list so Shopify knows where to check for updates. If your carrier isn't listed, select the closest match available. Accurate carrier selection helps Shopify pull status changes and show your customer real-time progress. Once the tracking number and carrier are in place, you're done. From here, your customer will see the tracking details on their order page, and they'll be able to follow the package from pickup to delivery. This small step can significantly reduce "Where is my order" messages and provides a smoother post-purchase experience. A quick tip before we wrap up: be consistent with how you format tracking numbers. Always confirm the carrier and add the details soon after you create the label so nothing gets misplaced. If you notice a mistake later, you can return to the order and update the tracking as needed. And that's all it takes. You've just learned how to add tracking numbers in Shopify quickly and confidently.